Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on Dorian. We're going to be doing it in the key of A, and it's going to start on the 5th fret, 7, 8, and then you're going to go 5, 7, 9 on the A string, same thing on the D, same thing on the G, and then you're going to scoot your pointer finger over here on the B string there, and then do the same thing on the E for the extra credit. Now the cool thing about this mode is it sounds kind of like minor, but also rock and roll at the same time. It's because it's got this note in there. It makes a huge difference. So if you were to play Tom Petty type of chord progression, that D chord right there is what makes it Dorian. Because then you can get this little note, the double stop bends. Of course, you can guess it. Next week it's coming with the Ionian, which is major, will be G Ionian. Shall I do it for you? Practice alternate picking. Good luck.